Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about CVC words with letter I. Here are some words that you can see. Let's practice them. It's pig. P-I-G, pig. Next word, B-I-G. It's big, the big. D-I-G, dig. It's dig. Let's practice some more words. Be ready. L-I-P. It's lip. D-I-P. It's dip. S-I-N-P. It's sip. Now let's practice some words with I-N ending. F-I-N-N. It's fin. Next word, B-I-N. It's bin, the dustbin. Next word, T-I-N. Tin. Hi kids, now it's time to give a quick quiz. So be ready. You will have to guess the word from the picture. What word is this? It's a tin. Very good. Next word. What word is this? It's dig. Can you guess the next word? It's lip. Now you have to guess this word. It starts with letter D. It's dip. Can you guess this word? It's the fin of a fish. F-I-N, fin. Keep practicing. Kids, you are doing really awesome. Please like and subscribe my channel to enjoy more videos. Bye-bye.